So welcome back to Handy headquarters. I'm still in the south of England, in Guildford actually, where we lived as a family for 10 years. And we met Santosh. Santosh is a Santosh.
Hello.
And Sonal.
Hiya.
And they came from...
Originally near to Goa, Vengurla place. And then I've been here 20 years now.
20 years. And Sonal, where do you come from?
I'm from India too. I'm from south of India, Kerala.
Kerala. And what languages do they speak
Oh,
there?
I speak Malayalam.
Malayalam?
Yes.
I still can't pronounce it. But they also understand Hindi. So
That is our national language, India's. So that is a Hindi. So that is a common one.
Okay.
So everyone understand each other.
Okay. So I met them on Sunday because they came to the same church that we went to when we lived here. And Sonal invited us for curry. Of course, we've got to have curry. So I said, okay, we'll come, but you have to let me video it. And she said, yes.
Okay.
I want to be a Hollywood star. So
Yes,
this is a little practice round at doing a recipe. So they've already started to prepare some stuff, and Santosh and Sonal are going to explain to us.
No, that I will get.
What are we making?
And also we do some rice, baked rice. Yeah.
This is the basmati rice,
So you're
which
using
is
basmati.
yeah,
All right.
which is I washed almost 45 minutes and kept it ready to cook.
Oh, you wash
So
it
first you have to wash it little bit, just to and drain the water, remove the all water, and to drain and keep it.
And then
It gives.
How much rice would you use?
This is just I use for.
2 cup maybe, no?
This is just like 2 cups rice, just 1 kilogram.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Why to drain and keep it? It becomes long and it gives more taste as well. And then I'm going to use little bit butter.
Okay. Real butter. Okay.
Real butter, which is. Then maybe there's my small.
Okay. So we get a good.
Yeah. How much you say here?
Maybe a quarter.
Quarter of the
Of the pint of
just
butter.
just
And
let it
just
melt
opening
it.
this garam masala powder.
How do you? Let's see the box.
Pulao masala.
Pulao masala. Powder.
Yeah.
Powder. Okay.
Yeah. So in that all same ingredients are there, which is I need the clove, which we have here. Clove.
What's that?
What do you call?
That is in Hindi ilachi.
Yeah.
I don't know what's cardamom.
Cardamom. Yeah.
Cardamom. Okay.
Cardamom, cloves,
Oh, cloves. Yes, I know cloves.
Yeah.
Yes, okay.
and
And
then
then this is
cinnamon stick,
And cinnamon sticks. Okay.
and then
And,
black pepper.
And black peppers, which are
Yeah.
always
So
great.
this is the same stuff which is here.
It's already okay.
Yeah,
so
it's a ready-made.
Pulao is already made.
Yeah,
up of those
ready
four
made. Yeah,
spices.
that's what.
But if you weren't so lazy, then you would. Do
Yeah,
it
you
this
can
way.
use. Yeah, this way.
These four special spices. Okay, cool. We're adding,
Can
we're
you
adding frozen
can you
peas.
make hot water?
Yeah.
We're adding frozen peas as well to the
Yeah, later on.
later on.
This is just I'm putting little bit masala. Yeah, that's fine.
So just maybe
Two
one and a
spoon.
half
Two.
tablespoons.
Yeah, two
Or
spoon.
two teaspoons.
So just fry
The
it
same thing as the way you did the onions.
tiny
over it,
bit,
hot butter, and now it's mixing
and
it.
then
And I wish you could smell it because it smells fantastic.
yeah,
I was going to add
and
the
then
dry rice.
which is the rice which
Just go around down.
I already washed and kept ready and soaked.
Yes, yeah,
I'm
so-
just going to add into this,
Yes,
and I have to go to fry that now into this butter and with the all spices.
Okay. So you fry the rice at first. Before you
Now,
boil it.
yeah, now we need to fry it. Yeah,
Okay.
fry into
And
it.
is the heat quite high?
I can reduce it little bit now. Yeah. Just to stir that masala.
You now
Yeah.
fold it in a little bit. You're folding it into the rice.
Yes, I just wanted to mix into the rice and make it. I fried the rice.
Yeah.
Now I'm just going to add the hot water, boiling hot water into that and let it cook. Yeah.
And so you put it like a little bit above the
Level.
Yeah,
Clever.
just above
above
the
the
level.
rice.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Clever. Yes.
Yes.
How
Yeah.
much? A finger or what's the?
Usually up to the size of
Put your
this one.
finger there.
Here.
Oh, this finger.
Yeah, up to here.
Okay, but
This
you don't
way.
put your
This is
finger
the
in there,
level.
else you will burn it.
It will be tasty.
Very good. We don't put the fingers
Yeah.
in the
Yeah.
curry.
And then just slow fire and let it cook now.
Okay, so low
a
heat.
low
so
heat.
Is that too slow? No.
Yeah, it's fine, it's fine. Now it will be fine.
we will-
Let it cook, and then I can
So now
reduce
she
maybe.
likes interfering.
Always.
Checking.
Okay, so now.
Meanwhile, just made the rice up,
Wow, so
upside
the
down.
water's disappeared already.
Yeah, it has to.
So now I was busy mixing the rice here a little bit.
I think it's cooked already.
No, some more to cook.
Excuse me.
No, that's all right.
Yeah, maybe. Okay.
Need the water.
It goes quite quick then, the rice.
Yeah.
Rice is very quick,
basmati.
yeah.
Wow, so because you rinsed it for
Yeah.
45 minutes or something.
Rice is just 10,
No,
15 minutes.
rinsed one rinse and then kept for 30 to 40 minutes
Okay.
before cooking. Yeah.
And then this is like a rotis. This is like a roti. You need to homemade. Yes. From the scratch. Yes.
They don't have oil.
You like to serve or you want me? You can take your own or how?
No problem, I'll take that. But we need the rice though, don't we?
No, first you eat chapati and then after that rice.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, we see.
This is your pot. Yeah.
So now it's after lunch, and I've actually had a little bit of sleep because I couldn't stay awake. The food was so good in the middle of the day, and so we'd just like to thank Santosh and Sonal. It was very nice, and remember you have to put in the comments how old you think they are, and we're hoping that they come to see us in the Netherlands so we can do the next video. So put in the comments if you want to see some more cooking from Santosh and Sonal.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for
Thank you.
watching.
Cheers, bye.